All right, guys, because I'm getting to this face videos just to make sure whatever I'm wearing, I can comment it right away in my video, and maybe it will motivate you. Maybe it will give you more ideas what can be done, how it can be done. And this particular gonna be short video about if you thrifting, if you're recycling, you're looking for some vintage fabrics on eBay, on garage sales, on estate sales. It's plenty of them on eBay, by the way. Or you just driving by and you see something, and thrift stores, Salvation Army stores, Goodwill stores, stuff like that. I always encourage you to recycle because it is quality in old stuff. It's no quality in new stuff. Just get through your mind. Money cannot buy that quality. No, well, you have to look and invest yourself in it. You don't have to do it every weekend. I do realize every one of us have life to live. But what's behind me, it's practically told from my one thrifting in one weekend, believe it or not. No, except some old stuff what I make this blouse way back, but again from fabric what I got from thrift store. But it's practically on one weekend. Well, but it's that weekend will not come to you right away when you just go and drive next weekend. No, I have another video which is I'm placing again, a very short one, because 3-4 videos every week I'm really invested myself into, and because it's so much ideas, so much going on in my life what I want to pass to you, and I really will start putting more effort on doing it. And well, be patient with whenever I promise to you those projects not coming yet, is because so much I want to tell, and I want to cover it crochet, I want to cover it knittings, I want to cover it acid wash, I want to cover fabric dye, which is very popular this season, and I really already put a lot of videos about it, and more coming. And recycling, thrifting, what we can do with sweaters, what we can do with jackets, which jacket to choose, which not, which sweater to use, which not, and custom made, of course, patterns even making, or we're gonna start making from no patterns at all. I have already a few videos what we can make without patterns, but it's before month is up, it's going to be another at least 2 of them. And this is what I want. This video I want to tell you about. If you're doing your recycling, follow your recycling ideas, you're looking for those fabrics online or in real life, vintage fabrics, for example, like this one, and you run across something which is I call nothing fabric. You don't like colors, you like texture because it's cotton. And it's very light, almost see-through, you know. It's have little embroidering on it, watch it. It's have little embroidering on it, and well, it's just something nothing. Just you can pass by. You're not gonna buy it. But guess what? Buy it if you like texture, and if it's cheap enough, buy it, because good tailor always can turn nothing fabric to something fabric. Like watch it. That's what I did for this particular one. And this dress gonna come in my life before Labor Day because I got enough of not making nothing. No, well, watch it. Look how beautiful it is. I just add pieces of red running between those 2 lines. How I did it, I'm gonna explain to you in that video. And this dress is coming up. I just some lines is stitched, some line is pinned, but it's gonna go across skirt, and also it's gonna be body's combination red with this white. No, well, you always can make something out of nothing. Here is another sample of nothing. Look at this material. You will think what you can make out of it. Completely nothing. Like maybe what pillowcases. That's about all. No, get it, because it's 100 cotton. Get it. And this kind of stuff going for on eBay like for $3 for 6 yards. It's like totally nothing, but it is cotton and it's good, like almost medium weight vintage cotton. What you can do with that? Let me just grab it. What we can do with that? Look at that. This is green marble fabric, which is again I got piece I believe on eBay, yeah, on eBay, and $1.50 per yard, and I got only 1 yard because it's vintage, it's extra weight on it. And again, look how good they go together. And I can do the same what I did there, but because I have so many dresses, there's no reason for me to repeat that idea which I just showed to you in that combination black, white and red. No, well, I'm not gonna do that. I can't. I will just show to you this idea, but I'm not gonna do that. Instead, that what I'm gonna do with this, I'm gonna make some blouse very easy with this one, and I'm gonna fabric dye this one. just to show to you what not just plain stuff, not just white plain stuff can be dyed in beautiful colors. And we're gonna do different dyes. We're gonna do with ice. We're gonna do with shaving creams, those marble dye. We're gonna do tie dye. We're gonna do all of it. No, well, subscribe, but you will not miss it. But that's something what you can keep for years, and it's always will be in style. That's what I'm talking about. And this dress, look at that. This material came from thrift store. Cost me like $3. And yes, it's kind of too plain. And you know, I'm just telling you what. If you don't like too much, this is too bright color, right? Too bright color, like in my age, and you will think what I need that for, right? If you in my age, well, look at that. I just make little bowl here, and I have pockets. I have pockets just the same size. It's adorable maxi dress. Every time I'm wearing it, people love it. People love it. I always got compliment on this dress. Again, whole thing. This pieces again. It was small piece, but guess what? It's still vintage cotton, and it still cost me like, I don't know, under $1, probably 50 cents, because it was tiny piece of it, but it was enough to make my bowl to my dress and my thing. It's just little addition, but it's, you know, even if you're in my age, like almost, I'm afraid to say it, like hitting up for 70, but well, you know what? If you're wild, if you're designer, it doesn't matter what size you are or what age you are. It's still with you. It's still with you. No, well, thank you for watching, guys, and please subscribe, because all these things what I'm talking to you about and what I have behind me, it's all recycled stuff. Which is, I suggest you to learn alterations and all learn recycling before you do jump on a custom made, because custom made you probably will burn up. You probably will have bad experience with the first piece or second piece, and you're gonna stop it. If you this is much less what recycling, what I'm talking to you, alterations, much less investment in time. It's take more ideas to do that, which is creative process of it. It's much kind of longer and more pleasurable, because you have different options and you always choose one. It's developing your style, taste of your style. Okay, guys, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. Thank you for your time.